Don't be vague. Ask for Sprague. So I guess back in the day, people didn't know how to pronounce it correctly. Maybe they still don't. So it's not Sprague. It is Sprague. So yeah, they make capacitors. I think Mike from Mike's Radio gave me this little boxer. Anyway, Sprague capacitor. So that's what we're going to look at today. Now I've got a whole bunch of these capacitors. They're 100 microfarads at 25 volts. '25 DC, yeah, 19. Back in the old days, made in the USA, 1984. Ah, yeah, that's vintage. Anyway, yeah, I've got a whole bunch of these, so I thought we would have some fun with them today. They're in a nice package, kind of a crimped package. Now, this crimped package is like a solid little, almost like a Coke can, and it has a rubber plug on the end. And raise your hand if you've ever had that rubber plug go flying out of this thing. So I was redoing a Collins radio, and I had some 400 volt, maybe higher section in the radio, and I actually hooked one backwards and blew that rubber plug out across the room. Made a very loud sound, scared the bejeebers out of me. Do people still say that? I guess I do. The bejeebers. Anyway, I've cut one here, and let's open it up and see what's inside. All right. Well, inside is this little, kind of a little wadded up roll of aluminum foil. So yeah, it's just a rolled up sheet of metal. And if we unroll it, I can see how long it is. There's actually, the length of it is actually 2. So there's 2 sandwiched together on some type of, I don't know what the spacer is, some kind of non-conductive spacer, but it's also filled with goo. It's got some electrolyte goo in it, makes sure there's more ions and stuff in there. Anyway, the goo goes between the two of them. That's what's electrolytic. It's the electrolyte that's inside. And then it gets rolled up, and one electrode gets connected to one side, one electrode connects to the other side. One's positive, one's negative. Yeah, there you go. That's what's inside. Have a cute little package. Okay, well, that was just a quick little video to take a look inside a capacitor because I got so many of them. Anyway, yeah,